Hey guys, what's going on? It's Non-weaponized preparedness back with you. What's going on, guys? So, today at work, a discussion popped up. What would we do as a business if stuff hit the fan? In a stuff hit the fan scenario. And I brought up the possibility of using inverters with batteries to power our blenders because we're a smoothie shop. And my my boss actually took that idea and ran with it and told me that she was going to pitch the idea to her boss, the owner of the company. So I feel pretty good as far as the owner of the company listening to what I have to say. And it's really going to be interesting to see whether or not that plan actually goes into effect. It's like, say, when we have a power outage or something like that. Because it's getting to be the season for power outages. And you just never know when a power outage is going to strike. So I feel pretty good in putting the bug in my boss's ear with everything that we have going on nationwide. So that's my update for today. With that, I'm going to say see you guys later. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Non-weaponized preparedness signing off for now. Understand, Commander. That torpedo did not self-destruct. You heard it hit the hull, and I was never here. Contact Dallas, give them the go. I'll see you guys later.